All right, today I want to introduce a new product for us. Of course, we had several videos talking about this bushing retainer cup on the 2018 regular cab, XP 1000 Rangers, 19s and 20 models. But this particular video and introduction is about a half. This is an OEM, this is not a Chinese version. We went right down to our local dealer, picked up some brand new ones. You know how it goes with OEM parts, you buy from dealers, no warranty on them, but we're just making them better by going ahead and installing the bushing retaining cup for you for those who had the bushings come out. That was a problem in this particular year range. And so if you have a good outside half, no need to buy it, you don't want it, don't need it, we'll actually sell you an inside half. Questions about balance. If Polaris will sell you a part of a clutch, that means it does not have to be balanced as an assembly. So we have a half, and we also, FYI, for those of you who go, I would just rather have a whole, we'll sell you a whole. Now this is my particular clutch, it's used, it's not new, it's off my 19 model, but we will sell you an entire secondary clutch with the retaining, with the bushing retaining cup already on it. So check it out on the website. We'll have links below to the halves and the holes, as I like to call it, and just a bushing retaining cup if you hadn't already had the problem and you want to prevent it. Got any questions? Todd at Hunterworks.com. Be glad to help you any way I can. Thank you.